Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some protein oatmeal without any protein powder. So what I'm going to use is Great Value Quick Oats, and you're only going to get 2.5 grams of fat in this, 27 carbs, 4 grams of fiber in this, and 5 grams of protein. And what I'm going to do is a cup of this, I'm going to do 2 servings. So I already put a cup of oatmeal in here. Next, to add some extra protein, you got 10 grams of protein just from the oatmeal. I'm going to add some egg whites, liquid egg whites, and we're going to do 3 servings of this, or 9 tablespoons. That's going to add you another 15 grams of protein, because the liquid egg whites, there's no fat. There is no carbs. This is basically just pure protein right here. Next, what we're going to do, add some Splenda or stevia, any no-calorie sweetener. And really, it's to your preference of how much you want to make it sweeter. I'll just coat the top. Ain't adding really much calories at all right there. Maybe 4 or 5 calories, if that. And then I'm going to do some ground cinnamon. I'm going to do 6 grams. Ground cinnamon. Then you just want to mix this up. If you like ground cinnamon and sugar, this is definitely going to be something that you're going to enjoy. Alright, the next thing you'll do is just follow the directions on the back. And microwave, it says microwave on high for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. So we're going to put this in the microwave, and we'll see how it comes out. We got a little bit more to add to it. And again, thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And I'll be right back with the finished product. I just put it in for about 1.5 minutes. And definitely, with the egg whites being in there, it's going to add that extra protein. You're not really going to taste the egg whites extremely. It's not going to be an extreme taste of the egg whites, because you're putting cinnamon in there and sugar, and then we're also going to add some more stuff to it. I like to add some sugar-free syrup, and again, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm going to add 3 servings of this. So I'm going to add 6 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons is 10 calories. It's going to give you some extra flavor. we go, 6 tablespoons. Six tablespoons, you're only adding an extra 30 calories. It's very quick and easy to make this. Very filling. You're getting over 25 grams of protein. Very sweet. Makes quite a bit. Definitely will fill you up. And then what else I like to do, if you wanted to add anything, if you like apples with cinnamon and sugar on them, I cut up an apple. And you can add apple pieces. So I cut up an apple, maybe another extra 60, 70 calories, depending on the size of the apple. And I really like cinnamon, so I'm just going to add some more cinnamon on top of there. And there you go. Here's some oatmeal, egg whites, cinnamon sugar, a little bit of sugar-free syrup on there. Apples if you want the apples, don't have to. So on the total breakdown on that, it's going to be 409 calories, 74.8 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 25.2 grams of protein. So it's 280 calories from the oatmeal. You got 75 calories from the egg whites. So we used a cup of oatmeal. We used 3 servings of the egg whites, which was 75 calories. Sugar-free syrup, you're going to get 30 calories from that. Then the ground cinnamon, 6 grams, was about 14 calories. So actually I had it in there as 40 calories. So it comes out, it's actually 399. So 400 calories for this whole thing. Not too bad for the breakfast in the morning. So definitely, if you guys like this type of videos, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button to be notified of anything else. And if you guys have a great day.